Hello there, and huge congratulations on reaching this important milestone in your life, your graduation day. Let's walk you through the process. So, as you arrive, head to the registration desk. Be sure to have your ID ready. Here, you'll register your attendance. Do make sure your guests have their own tickets, as they'll need them to access guest seating. Okay, so after registering, students can collect their gowns. If you've pre-booked, head to the photography area next to gowning. Finally, everyone should gather in the reception area, ready to be called when the ceremony seating opens. Ushers will assist students in finding their allocated seats, so please show your tickets as you enter. Then the ceremony begins. At a specific point during the ceremony, the staff member will approach your row. You will then leave your seat and follow the staff member to prepare for your moment on stage. And here we go, when your name is called, it's your time to shine. Walk confidently, smile, and don't forget there'll be cameras capturing your moment. After the ceremony, yes, it's time to celebrate. We really hope you have an unforgettable graduation day filled with joy, pride, and celebration. Huge congratulations once again on your remarkable achievement.